Now f from x to y is again on 2. So for this element y, we will get another element here such that fx is y. No? This is again on 2. So we have got an element y inside capital Y. Right? So since this is on 2, we will get another preimage under the function f. Okay, so this is what we will write here. Okay, so let us keep it as 1. Now y belongs to capital Y and f from x to y. F from x to y is on 2. Okay, this is on 2. So there exists an element x inside capital X such that f of x is equal to 1. Okay, so this is 2. So from 1 and 2 we can write that so from 1 and 2 we can write from 1 and 2 you can write again g of, you put the value of y here, f of x is equal to z. Okay, so from here g of f of x is equal to got it. So ultimately for the element z inside capital Z, we have got an element x inside capital X which satisfies GOF of x is there. Okay. Hence GOF is on 2. Okay. What's your name? एकदम simple. Just apply the definition. Okay, step by step. Start with an element Z. Use the fact that this is on 2. So since this is on 2, for this z we will get an element y inside capital Y which satisfies this. Okay. So we started from here. For this element I have got an element y here. Okay. So this element y is here. For this element I will get an element x here. Okay. So this is how we are connecting. From z I have got this y. For y I have got this x, and then we can connect between these two. So GOF is also on 2. So the third one is just the combination of this. So the third one is the combination. So if the question comes in the third one as this, you have to prove both the parts. Okay, prove it is 1 1, prove that it is on 2. Okay, so third one I don't have anything to prove. Just combine the first and second. Combine the first and second. Okay, now try to think if the other way. So I have said FG11 implies GOF is 1 1. Okay, so is the converse true? If I have GOF 1 1, can I say that FG is also 1 1? Okay, FG are both 1 1. FG 1 1. Okay, here FG are both 1 1. It requires that both should be 1 1. Okay. So this is true. Can I say that this is true? Right. GOF is 1 1. Can I say that F and G are both 1 1? GOF is 1 1. So then let us test whether f is 1 1 or not. Okay. So if I have something like fx1 equal to fx2, from here can I write x1 equal to x2 after some steps? Using the fact that GOF is 1 1. Just try. If I start with this, can I use GOF and conclude that x1 is equal to x2 somehow? Try to. Try it. Starting from fx1 equal to fx2, can you get x1 equal to x2 using the fact that GOF is 1 1, theta 1 1. Okay. No, no. So what do I need? I need something like GOF here. If I can get something like GOF of x1 equal to GOF of x2, okay, তখন আমি বলতে পারবো x1 is equal to x2. এখানে g আনা যায় না? Yeah, we can apply g on both sides. Means we can take the image of these two elements under g. Okay, because these two elements are equal. So why we can take this? Because g is a function. For each element there is a unique element in the codomain. Okay, so two equal elements, they will always have the same image under g. Okay, so if these two are equal elements, so I can take g of f of x1. This will be exactly equal to g of f of x. Okay, because every element goes through a unique element. Okay, it cannot be something like this, that fx1 and fx1 is this, g of this is this, g of f of x2 is this. It cannot happen. Okay, this cannot happen. So from here to here I can write it because g is a, this can be written because g is a function. Okay, g is a function or g is a map. Okay. So if I start with fx1 equal to fx2, then I can write g of f of x1 equal to g of f of x. So from here I can write GOF of x1 equal to GOF of x2. Okay. And since GOF is 1 1, so we can write x1 equal to x2. Okay. Okay. So we can conclude that f is 1 1. If GOF is 1 1, we can conclude that f is 1 1. But what about g? G to 1 1 will be there. Can I conclude that g is 1 1? So if I start with something like g of x1 equal to g of x2, from here it seems that I cannot get this type of things. Okay, but you have to produce some examples.
FOG 1 1 or 2. FOG 1 1.
Yeah, that's the same thing. If FOG is 1 1, then I can conclude that g is 1 1. Okay. But the question here is, so this is exactly same as that. The symbols are changed. Nothing. Okay. So whenever a composite of two functions is 1 1, the inner function, the first function here, that is 1 1. That is guaranteed. Okay. What about the other outer functions? Can you find out some examples where g is GOF is 1 1, but g is not 1 1? No. I think we have already discussed this. It was discussed for long. Right? Can you give an example of functions f from x to y and g from y to z such that GOF from x to z is 1 1. Okay, but g is not 1 1. G is not 1 1. So this is the question. Can you give an example of functions f from x to y, g from y to z, such that GOF is 1 1, but g is not 1 1. Okay. Do you have something like this? I have f from x to y and y from g from y to z. Okay. F goes from here to here. Okay, this is f, and g goes from here to here. So what is GOF? I know that GOF is 1 1. Okay, but GOF is something 1 1. Okay, so it may happen. So and f is also 1 1 because GOF is 1 1, so f is 1 1. So from here to here. whether G is 1 1 or not. Okay, that is what we need to conclude.
G of x equals to x square.
G of x equal to x square.
F of x
From where to where? G from where to where? R to R. Okay. G from R to R defined by Gx equal to x square. Then
f of x equals to root x.
and f from
R to R.
R to R defined by
Root x.
fx equal to root x. But this is not a function itself. You have to change the domain. Domain change for the. So from where to where it should write? Write it from somewhere else. You can write it from 0 infinity. Write it from 0 infinity to R. Okay. Now it is defined. X equal to root x. Now check. So G is not 1 1 because minus 1 and 1 they will have the same image. What about GOF? GOF function data. GOF of x will be equal to G of root x. That is equal to x. So this is the identity function. Identity function from 0 infinity to its range. Okay, not to R. So I cannot say exactly identity function. It's behaves like identity function. But anyway, this is 1 1. GOF of x is x. That is 1 1. So GOF is a 1 1 function here, but G is not 1. Okay. So this example I was talking about. We have already seen this earlier in the class. Okay. So here you see in the diagram what happens. F is 1 1. F it will look something like this. Okay. And from the GOF is 1 1. So that means these three distinct elements of x, they should have three distinct elements here in Z also. Okay. So maybe it goes here, maybe that this goes here, maybe this goes there. Okay. So the diagram is something like this. But there may be some elements, extra elements here, okay, which also go to the same here. Okay, it may happen something like this. Okay. So from the diagram itself, we can say that G may not be 1. Okay, F is 1 1. So F from x to y it will look like this diagram. Okay. And GOF is 1 1. So these three distinct elements should go to three distinct elements in Z. Okay. But it may happen that there are some extra elements in Y, okay, and those elements may go to these elements. Okay. So there is a chance that G may not be 1 1. Okay. That is the intuition. Okay. So this is the example. This is one example. Right. You can create examples with finite sets also. This example is quite good. Okay. So it may happen that GOF is 1 1, but G is not 1 1. Okay. So the example is this: G from R to R defined by G of x is equal to x squared. Okay. And F from 0 infinity to R defined by f of x equal to root x. Okay. So f is 1. So here GOF of x. GOF is a function from 0 infinity to R. Okay. Defined by GOF of x is equal to G of fx. Okay. So this is G of root x. So this is same as x, which is 1 1. Okay. Which is 1 1. So GOF is 1 1, but G is not 1 1. That is very simple to say. Okay. So we can say, but G is not 1 1. Not 1 1. As G of minus 1, this is 1, which is also equal to G of 1. Okay. So different elements have the same image. So this is not 1 1. Similarly, you try to think about this. If G of GOF is on 2, if this is on 2, can I say that? Does it imply that G and F are on 2? Okay. This is also another thing. If GOF is on 2, whether this is there is a program